just ran the forward blue laser machine on this iPhone 11 Pro Max. So now we're going to go and show you how we are going to remove the thick glass around the camera lens area. So here we are, and what we like to do is on our blue mat we just put a paper towel. You can use newspaper. I've used newspaper before, just so the black dust that gets on there is easier to clean. And then you can also just flip this like this when you have it all full of shards of glass, and it's just easier to dispose it. I call it the blue mat diaper, if you will. So what we're going to go over is the thick area around the lens and how to get the glass out. And what I like about the blue laser machine also is that it will go over, it will kind of bypass the areas that have proven in the past to mess up the phone. So anything you see in white that's not in black basically is the areas where the laser does not hit it, just to protect the phone internals. So you don't have to take the phone apart, you don't have to take the glass out. It's really a simple way to do it, and quite frankly, if you had to dismantle the phone, it defeats the purpose of using the laser. So I like to keep my glass covered just in case, but as you can see, it kind of bypasses that area. You kind of can see that there. And then also there's a little microphone sensor in there. It bypasses that whole square, and then up here where you have the flash, it bypasses it. We covered it just in case. In the case of the microphone, here's a good tip. It's like a little mesh or screen, so covering it will keep the dust from going in the phone. That's just a little tip for you there. But while we are removing the glass, we still like to keep the foil covering in there, the foil tape, because that way it's harder for you to scratch the glass by mistake. So what we like to do is use this little device, and this, you can actually adjust the strength. If you turn it towards the right this way, it'll make the force on the bottom stronger. So we take that part out, and of course if you turn it towards the left, towards this way, it'll make it less stronger. So what I'd like to do is I like to count these threads on there, if you will, and I like to count around 5 of them. So you can count around 5 threads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's about right. And now you're going to pretty much press down on it, and I want to stay away from the actual microphone and the flash, obviously. So just do it like so. What it's doing is it's basically breaking the glass, so it's easier later to get it out. You see how it's cracking? It's basically cracking, and you can hit it in the middle there, just like so. Just do it anywhere. And then if you look at it closely, pretty much broke the glass nicely. So when it's time to remove the whole glass, this area is done already for you as far as getting the glass to break. So you just want to crack the glass, and that's what this little device does for you. You can always put it a little bit stronger, but I wouldn't go no more than 4 threads. So right now we are at 1, 2, let's see, 1, 2. Right there we are about 4 threads, right? So let's see. It doesn't take a lot to break the glass. You don't have to go crazy on this. See, the piece actually just broke off right there, just that easy. So again, it is a tool that's there for your advantage, so use it, and when you're done with it, if you want to protect this from, then you have this little cap there to make it easier for you that way. So now we're going to go ahead and finish doing this job, but we just wanted to take a few minutes just to show you how to use this tool. And something that's really important is adjusting the back. It may come to you like this. You don't want to use that kind of strength pushing down on this in there. So make sure you adjust it. And like I said, count the threads. So if you can count anywhere between 4 and 5 threads, then you're good. Right there we got about 3 threads. And right there around 4. Okay? So don't need to be stronger than that. Do not squeeze it all the way in. Okay? Thank you for watching. You all have a great day. And please remember to subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.